Hey y'all, I've got a lot of questions about how I built the cabinets around the gooseneck and the horse trailer that I'm working on, so I figured I'd make a video for y'all. Obviously by this step I've already done the insulation and the furring strips and the paneling, so we'll just start from the clean slate like I have here. I started out by ripping down a bunch of 2x4s. I think for the upper cabinets I ended up eventually cutting them down to 3/4 by maybe an inch, something in that general area. I would just go ahead and cut a bunch to start with. I'm pretty sure I'll probably cut up maybe 8 2x4s for all of the framing in the top bunk area. Of course, I drew this out on a piece of paper beforehand, and then it's pretty much just assembling from the template that I already made on the paper. After that, I went ahead and cut up some 1/4-inch plywood or 5mm underlayment and started filling in where my shelves are going to be. I also started filling in the outline of my windows as well. Now, I originally made this video to send to my client to kind of explain where their storage was going to be, but I'll use it for you guys. Right there is going to be a shelf with storage in it, and then that's going to be deep shelving. That's going to be open shelving right there. And then, of course, you have the window with the USB. That's going to be open as well. I put a piece of plywood on top so you can open it up and you can still have storage underneath the window as well. And then there is the outlet I was talking about with a box that's coming from the wall. And as you can see, there's going to be a ton of storage on this back wall, which is going to be great for them. There's going to be a shelf all the way up top, and then below the shelf, basically everything from the shelf down is going to be deep storage that goes all the way down to the bottom of the gooseneck right there. And this storage is basically just a mirror of the other side, exact same measurements. It's just over on this side, same storage, deep storage, open shelving with a little window sill right there. So that's pretty much all the same that's on the other side. And then I built the cabinets out towards the wall right there for the kitchen. Now, once my framing was complete, the next thing I did was make face frames for it. And I pretty much just cut down some pine wood and assembled it with pocket hole screws. After it was assembled and I sanded it, I went ahead and put the face frames on and I stapled them to the framing using my nail gun. After that, I went ahead and primed and painted everything to get ready to put my doors on. I'd obviously pre-measured the size of my doors, so I went ahead and started making those. And here's just kind of a quick rundown of how I make my doors. Lots of good YouTube videos on how to make cabinet doors. I would not suggest making them with pocket holes, but that's my personal opinion. Next, I just installed the hardware on the doors and then installed the doors. After that, I made a little window seal with 3/4-inch birch to match the countertops, and that was it.